While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Flow of Softness. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit cross-legged with your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees and take slow, calm breaths. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Then exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your feet or shins. Keep your back long and breathe gently. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach with your palms under your shoulders. Inhale and gently lift your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Open your heart and look forward. Puppy pose. Start on your hands and knees. Walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the mat, keeping your hips above your knees. Rest your forehead or chin down and breathe softly. Bridge pose. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat. Press into your feet to lift your hips toward the sky. Keep your arms alongside your body and open your chest. Happy baby pose. Lie on your back and draw your knees toward your chest. Hold the outer edges of your feet and gently open your hips. Keep your spine relaxed and breathe deeply. Legs at the wall pose. Sit close to a wall and lie back as you extend your legs upward, resting them against the wall. Let your arms relax by your sides and breathe deeply. Feel calm and grounded. Supine twist pose. Lie on your back, hug one knee toward your chest, then guide it across your body to the opposite side. Extend your other arm out and look toward it. Breathe slowly and feel the gentle twist through your spine.